Hi, welcome to my channel, All Things Fleurie. This video is going to be about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am an iPhone user since the beginning, and I'm very excited to actually share this with you guys. The phone that I actually had before was iPhone 7 Plus, and this phone lasted a very long time. I fixed the camera twice, I fixed the microphone inside of this, and then I was able to push through for 4 years until I actually wanted to get the iPhone Pro Max. And here it is. This is it. It came in a box like this, and it's very thin. I was so excited to actually buy this phone, and when I got it today, I placed the order on November 6th, and I received it in the mail. AT&T had a great deal. They actually said that my phone 7 Plus was worth $80, but they actually wanted to do a trade-in for $350. They bought it from me. So that was a great deal, and I know the XRs and the newer phones, they're buying them for $700 as a trade-in. So I think you should check that out with AT&T. I don't know if they have it, other companies have this type of offer, but AT&T did a great job. Okay, I actually recorded this video earlier thinking I recorded the unboxing. I came to find out that none of the recording has gone, and it was done, and I was so sad. So now I sat down to do another video, and it's okay that I didn't show the unboxing part because that's already has not even been recorded. So here it is. That's how the phones are. So you can tell this one is a little bit bigger, but the iPhone 7 Plus is thinner. This is thicker and has a thicker edge around. And look at the edges, how slim they are, and they're very durable, as they said. I really like this phone. Look how smooth it looks in the back side, and has a very clean finish to it. That's it. Okay, the SIM card on this one was on the iPhone 7 Plus was on the right. On this one, the SIM card is on the left, and the volume buttons are here, and vibrating on and off is here. And the power button, it's on a side on 7 Plus. Here is also still on the side. And the power cord plug over here is just the same, but the other side is different. I think there's a terminology for that. Like this plug is like 7 Plus, but on the other side is like that. And there's no earphones that came with it. I just have my own AirPods that works with that. Luckily my sister gave me a gift. Okay, and in the box only came the power cord. I didn't get the little adapter with it. And this is the little piece that came with it to open, to take the SIM card out. So I was very excited about this phone. I couldn't wait to show you this experience. I got the one in gold, and I hope this video can show you exactly what you were looking for. I ran and grabbed a phone case at the Five and Below for $5.55. And the cameras, okay, let me talk about this now. Look at the cameras are a little bit poking out. And yes, you can see a lot of, on the side, a lot of fingerprints. This part is kind of a little matte, and it's so smooth. Like you feel like you're going to drop your phone in a second if you don't have a case. When you touch it, it slides through your fingers, but it's not completely shiny. It's a little matte. This is the one in gold. And that's about it, really. So the only difference actually is this is way heavier, iPhone 7 Pro Max. This is lighter and very thinner. Very thin, the iPhone 7 Plus. I'm so happy to use this phone, especially with the difference that the iPhone 7 Plus didn't have the face recognition. This one does. I haven't explored other things, but if you upgrade your phone, you have other phone, you're gonna see the widgets and stuff. I haven't looked through to see what else is, here. I like the camera. It was amazing. I took a picture earlier, right before I started the video, and it looked amazing. My very first picture I took, I'm gonna show to you. It was this one in the front of from my bedroom, and it's gorgeous. Just look at the quality. It is amazing, and I imagine this one didn't have any type of filter or anything, completely raw. So I highly recommend this phone. I'm so happy. It's huge difference compared to the other one. And I'm sorry I couldn't show from beginning the boxing, but my video didn't record. It was so sad. That's it. Thank you for watching. I normally do beauty videos, but this video I wanted to share with you. You can follow me on Instagram, Beauty by Flory. And over there I just post beauty pictures and videos and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Okay, there's one more thing I would like to tell you, that I usually make videos. Okay. Well, this phone I'm gonna definitely use to make my videos and edit them on iMovie, because I do make videos and take pictures for my beauty account that I share beauty tips and videos. And we're gonna start over again. Okay? I don't think I mentioned in the beginning that my main reason for having a good phone, and I use my phone a lot to take pictures, because I have an Instagram account. It is a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Actually, if you're interested to know more about me and what I post, that account is Beauty by Flory. The Flory is my first name. It's spelled Florije. Over there you see I post pictures and things that have to do with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And I'm excited to use this phone to take those pictures. It is crystal clear. And please subscribe if you like my video. If you didn't, you can still leave your comment and let me know. I really want to share this video with you, because I really like the idea of searching things out and seeing how people like them. I also would like to be honest with you and tell you that this is my very first video in this channel, and I'm going to be posting more. As you can tell, it's all things Flory. That means that anything that I think would be a good idea to share with you guys, I will post them in this channel. So if you would like to be able to see any of the channels coming from me in the future, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment for me. I highly appreciate it. Anything you have in mind, let me know. Let me know what phone you have, what phone you want to upgrade to. Let me know if you don't like iPhones at all, why you don't like them. You can comment that down below. A lot of people are Samsung users, and I like Samsung, but I've always been iPhone user, and it's just simple for me. I don't have to do too many of those little details that Samsung have. For me, it's too much. So comment, let me know. If you have any ideas of what other video that I should be making that you're very interested, you can also comment that. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Beauty by Flory. My personal account is called Life of Flory. I don't know if that will stay the same though, because I'm going to have to update my personal account. But thank you so much for watching. I highly appreciate your time because I know your time is very important. And if you choose to get this phone, you're going to be very happy. I can't stop taking pictures and making videos, and I already did some in the background when I was waiting for the battery to be charged for this. And I really would like to share those with you. And these are different modes that I took pictures. Okay, there you go. This I changed to loop after I took a picture. So look, it has different editing in the picture. Bye bye.